I came to Elmquist Eye Group over 20 years ago. I was in the healthcare industry, and so I don't remember how I found him, but it's been that long. I just came to see Dr. Rodriguez just for my routine exam, and then that's when they found out that I had cataracts. Things were not as clear. I wouldn't use the word blurry, but they just weren't as clear. They gave me choices of surgeries as to what type of implants that I was to have. So everything was explained to me so I could make a choice. I chose to have my surgery here at the office suite. I was delighted to know that I could have it here and not to be surrounded by, as I call them, family. They put you in a very nice environment, very nice room, got you prepared. You could see the surgery suite from where you were sitting. The other reason why I chose to have surgery here is you don't have to go through general anesthetic. So they gave you 2 Valium, and then I got sleepy, and I don't remember. It wasn't long. At least it seemed like it. Oh, my vision from before to now is unbelievable. Everything is just brighter, more beautiful. Leaves on the trees you can see. About Dr. Rodriguez, I can't say enough. She's so personable. She explains everything. The whole staff just makes you feel so comfortable. Takes away any fears that you might have. Answers all your questions in detail. I just can't say enough about her.